Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of sea animals. In this video we learn sea animal names. The first one is a spider. This is a spider. This is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. This is a blue whale. A blue whale. This is a shark. This is a shark. A dolphin. This is a dolphin. This is a squid. This is a squid. This is a frog. A frog. A starfish. This is a starfish. A king crab. This is a whale. A whale. This is a purple fish. A purple fish. This is a parrotfish. A redfish. A redfish. A crab. This is a crab. A queen parrotfish. This is a lobster. A lobster. This is a pinfish. A blue tang. A seal. This is a seal. A frog.